It's important to know during Invisalign treatment if your case is tracking to plan. The progress assessment tool on the iTero Element allows you to do just that. Here we have a case that we scanned mid-treatment. We're trying to do an assessment to see if the teeth are tracking to plan. Here you can see on the upper arch we have some various colors here telling us various different things. On the bottom of the screen we have a color assessment. We have more of a legend telling us what these colors mean. So let's focus on the upper arch. Here you can see on the upper arch we have the two central incisors and the canine. They are painted yellow. The movement's not tracking clinically to plan. So that gives me a warning sign right there that we have an issue. The two gray teeth, the two laterals, there's no significant movement. So in comparison to that, we can look at the lower arch. Here on the lower, we see the teeth are green. That means the movement is tracking clinically to plan. So we know that that arch is looking like it's supposed to. So at this point, we can do a general assessment to determine if we want to make some new aligners. And in this case, we would. One other thing I like to show patients is where they started. So this particular patient started with a very deep bite and rotated incisors. We're going to go ahead and watch the patient go through treatment here, up to mid-treatment, where we are now, and where we hope to be. So it's a great motivator for patients to see that maybe they aren't being as compliant as they should be, and I can show them that clinically. So that's the progress assessment feature. It's a great way for patients to understand if they're being compliant, and also a great way for doctors to understand if the cases are tracking according to plan. Progress assessments that give you instant feedback on how your Invisalign treatment plan is tracking. Only on iTero Element scanners. Learn more at iterotimelapse.com.